That's this. Oops. There we go. If you're new here, if I don't drop something, yeah, question if it's me or not. Hey guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new, hello, my name is Steph. If you're not new, you already know that. And I just want to say thank you for coming back and hanging out with me. It really does mean a lot to me. In this video, we have Eyescream Beauty, the bag. Now, first of all, you will notice that this does not look like the standard Eyescream Beauty bag, but I can assure you it is. If you want to see what's going on and what is in the October Eyescream Beauty bag, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. Okay guys, we are doing things a little differently. This is the bag, and it is obviously different, and it has a very special meaning this month. The reason I just have the bag is because, remember I said in my last unboxing, I paused September's box, right? Oh, your girl forgot to unpause it. So the box is coming. I am sent it in PR and I do purchase it. When that happens, I'm sent everything all together. Well, this month that didn't happen, so I am waiting for the box to come, okay? If you have not gotten in yet on the 3-winner giveaway for the Eyescream Beauty, I will try and link it up here. If you don't see the card, it will be linked down in the description box. If you didn't have a chance to enter that giveaway, this is your chance. This month is very special, okay? But before I get into that, what do we do here? Unboxings, try-ons, new releases, sometimes some hauls. I mean, it just depends, but it is all beauty related. We talk about all things beauty, but in a real life way. I am a real person. I do not pretend to be something I'm not. I don't sit up here and try to be perfect, because perfect is not a thing. And I don't want to be perfect, okay? I just don't. Like, too much energy. So, if you think you can get into anything I just said, hanging out, having a good time, then please hit the subscribe button and become part of the family. I would love to have you. I am trying to get to 1,500. I have 3-winner giveaway planned on that with some really great stuff. 3 giant boxes. It is open international, but that pops off when we hit to 1,500. I'm in my comfy clothes. Catch me in a sweatshirt and some jeans or sweatpants. I'm good to go, guys. What happened here? I'm gonna tell you. I sat down, I was gonna pop some bronzer in my crease, put some mascara on, lip gloss, and call it good. I don't know, an hour later, this is what we have. I just couldn't stop. I have everything split up into videos because I can't do what I wanted to do when it comes to the haul video, because yeah, there's just so much. Also, let me know if you guys want to do perhaps a palette sale, because in that bin right there, there's 14 palettes. I don't ever say things like that to like brag. I just want to put a disclaimer. I'm not trying to brag. I'm not trying to boast. The thing is, I have a problem. I legit have a problem. I can't say no to eyeshadow palettes. It's crazy. I always say, if I never bought another eyeshadow palette for the rest of my days, I would be absolutely fine. But I just can't help myself. Just one came today. Let's get into it. So the bag, total $16.50. You are always guaranteed to get a palette. You will get 3 to 5 items. This month is very, very special. It does represent Breast Cancer Awareness Month, okay? And they took part in it in a very big way. What they are doing is a portion of the proceeds for this bag will be donated to the Breast Cancer Research Foundation, which I think is amazing, okay? A company that gives back. This is just a really good subscription. The customer service is a dream. You always get a card, okay? You're guaranteed a palette. I say it all the time. I really do like the subscription. Can we do a shout out for my little attempt at like some Halloween? I did get some spiders and they're going up too. I'm gonna like put them all over. I'm gonna have to bring him down and maybe sit him on this one so you can see him really good. But he is actually hugging my little baby llama and they're like butting heads together, you know? So, and his legs are crossed. He's just chilling. He's chilling over there. And then we have Mr. Mummy, okay, that's like not in the picture. I don't know why. He is loving on the SAS section of the palettes, okay? So he's an avid fan, as am I. We are going to dive in. I do have a code. It is SIMPLESTEPH. It will save you 10% on the bag, the box, and the shop, okay? Here is the card. It is October. The box is usually themed, okay? But we kind of do have a theme here. It says Pink October. It says Eyescream Beauty Bag October. Okay, and then you have a list of the products that you're getting. Now, I'm going to read to you really quick what it says here. Glasses are in the card, guys, so bear with me, okay? In honor of Breast Cancer Awareness Month, our bags are going pink. There you have it. In collaboration with Gourmande Girls Cosmetics, we will be donating a portion of all proceeds to the Breast Cancer Research Foundation. Breast cancer is one of the most common cancers in women worldwide, but it can also affect men. Although it is less common, detecting breast cancer in its early stages greatly improves the chances of a successful treatment. Regular breast self-exams and mammograms are important for early detection. Some risk factors for breast cancer include age, family history, certain gene mutations, hormone replacement therapy, and lifestyle factors like smoking, alcohol consumption. Survival rates vary depending on the stage at which breast cancer is detected and treated. Early stage breast cancer often has a high survival rate. This is why it is so important to get checked regularly. And I cannot stress that enough, guys. My mother, she just recently passed. She did have breast cancer at the age of 31, not once, but twice. She was able to beat it. There's a whole lot that goes with that. But let's just say she had a heck of a fight and she fought and she won. Early detection is key. Self-examinations. I used to be like, I don't know how to do it. Let's just say I'm not doing it right. I will say, I don't know what that is. Check it out. Because my mother had it and she had it at such an early age, I've been getting them for a very long time. So far, so good. You know, I've been blessed. I want to say, I'm betting you do know somebody or it has affected you in some way, like a friend of a friend or a family member, something like that. We need to get a cure for it. Like the card said, early detection is key. It can make the difference between beating it or not. This is your monthly reminder. Men, women, all alike, please go get checked. Let's get into the products, all right? And this month we do have 3. And again, there's the card, and it just says Pink October. Research moves us forward. Absolutely does. Again, no glasses, guys, so I do apologize. Now, the first product, the Go-To Beauty Pink Lip Gloss. This is what it looks like. There's the packaging. There's the brand, Go-To. Okay, Go-To Beauty. And this is the color. I mean, it's showing up a little bright, but it's almost like a muted pink, and I do like that because you can pop that in the middle. You can mix it with something, like that's what I would do. Yeah, but I do like that color. I'm not opening anything in this bag, and there's a reason. I will explain that. Okay, Go-To Beauty, the pink lip gloss is $5. Okay, so there you have that. I don't know what the wand looks like, but like I said, it's wrapped all like really safe to see it. And then the second item we have, and I thought this was really cool. I was like, yeah, I'm excited for all these products, but I might not be keeping them. Normally I will come on here using one of the, items in it, but not this month, and there's a reason. We have Beauty Creations. This is the Color Base Primer. Again, this is $5. They have a tip here. It says this can be used as a primer, an eyeshadow, a blush, or lipstick. So it's like the do-all thing, you know what I mean? But it does look like this. That is what it looks like. And it comes in that plastic packaging. I'm not a super duper fan of the plastic, but hey. And it does sit nicely in there. You do have to pull it. Hold on. Oh my gosh, really?
2 hours later.
I couldn't get it out last time. I shouldn't have put it back in. Go through the bottom and push up. That's the easiest way because it gets caught on the lid. It's a little squeezy tube. And it does, I'm not going to open it, guys, but it has a very skinny nozzle right there. Okay. There's the packaging. My biggest pet peeve, the light packaging with light lettering and with no glasses. And it's 2 a.m. Oh boy. You guys are in for a good video. Let me see if I shine my light on. Will that help? I was just saying I have one thing to do. Open this video. Disaster already. Like, really? And that was the second thing I dropped. And there's only 3 items. So go figure. Gosh, please don't let me drop the next one. My job? Open the products and read about them. I can't do that. So it says multi-use primer enhancer for lips and body art, cut creases, cruelty-free, waste-resistant, creamy and blendable, easy to use. You can lay it down, you can pat it out, you can cut your crease, you can draw like graphic design with the little like liner brushes. There's a lot you can do with it. It's a very affordable product that packs a big punch. The third product, I haven't looked at this palette. I have drooled over this palette, not on it, but over it. And all I can say is it killed me not to dive in. Now, before I show you the palette, I want to tell you what is so significant about this palette. Like they said, they're partnering with Gourmande Girls. The palette is from Gourmande Girls. Maybe you've seen it, maybe you haven't. I saw it when I was over on the website because I did pick up Nightshade. It's one that's in that bin that I've not touched and opened. I did see this and I was like, wow, that's really pretty. Now, The person that collabed with Gourmande Girls to create this palette is someone that I have been following for a very long time. And her name is Siria Soto. I will put a picture of her here, okay? And I will also link all her social medias down below. If you don't know who she is and you're not following her, please go over and follow her because she's amazing. She does her makeup and she puts these looks on that like transforms her into, I don't want to say cosplay, but into a whole new like person. She definitely has a great imagination and she's very, very talented. Her and I have spoken many times. She is very, very sweet. She's just an all-around nice person. The not so pleasant thing is that she is now fighting, as is Christina over here on YouTube. She's known as CMariTaylor. So this is what the palette was created for, okay? Her and Gourmande Girls got together and they made this palette. And it is called Warriors Wear Pink. Now, I'm going to show you the packaging. It has the ribbons, okay, signifying breast cancer awareness. This is a very pretty packaging. And it does say up here, her name is right there, guys. Let me try and get it out of the ring light and see if it will focus. It is cruelty-free. I believe it is good for 12 months. We don't listen to that around here. You take the sleeve off. It does have the same thing. The ingredients are also on the back. When you open it up, it does have a mirror. There's the mirror right there. It does come with a color saver. And I want to tell you why I think this color story is amazing, all right? I sat there with my mouth open for it had to be for a good 3 minutes, just being like, generally, when I speak on something, it is my opinion. I was not saying that, and I was putting in editing anything from here on out, what I say about this palette, or anything for that matter. It's not a definite fact, it's just my opinion. So there you have the color story. It says, collaboration with Siria Soto came together as a tribute to honor Siria and her journey as a breast cancer warrior. I don't know where she's at in her journey, but I know that I'm sending her prayers, and I just spoke to her today. I asked her if it was okay if I could pop up her pictures, because I always kind of try and do that whenever I can. And she said, yes, absolutely. So I told her that I was praying for her, and if we could all maybe just go give her a follow, guys, maybe drop a comment, send her some get well prayers, and because I know she could do this, you know what I mean? I know she can. It says the palette includes 12 mattes, 3 duochromes, and 1 multichrome, as well as meaningful embossments on the shadows, okay? So you have your 12 mattes, and then you also have embossments. You have the Gourmande Girl logo, you have the hearts, you have the pink ribbons, okay? So every pan is embossed, all right? Which just adds a really nice touch to it. It goes from light to dark. You have your light bone colored cream, maybe, matte, and it goes to your black matte right here. I would say this is a duochrome. I want to say this is a duochrome. I want to say this is a duochrome. I want to say this one here is the multichrome. I could be so wrong because I didn't swatch it, right? But oh my gosh, guys, like what? It is so pretty. So this one is pink. It has a little bit of like gold, peach, and a blue shift to it. Amazing. You have your turquoise. I think it has purple reflexes or silver reflexes. Very, very pretty. This one right here looks like a red. But then look in the mirror, guys. It's got almost a bronzy gold right here. Okay, right there. You see it in the mirror? It's got that bronze shift to it. This one right here, the white, I have a funny feeling it is going to be like pink or yellow or perhaps even like a teal. I don't know. But it's not going to be just white. That makes me happy because this palette has everything. It can be used as a fall palette, guys. You have your fall colors. This is what I would do. Go in the crease with this, deepen in your actual like crease with this color, deepen up the outer corner with this. Go ahead and pop this shimmer on the outer portion of my lid and finish it up with this one. Pop this in your inner corner and you're done. You can go with any color underneath for your lash. It's good for fall. It's good for spring. You have this awesome purple, this army fatigue like kind of green. You can go in and blend out with any of these 2 colors right here. The bone color. This is great for setting your lid. I mean, it just has everything, okay? Can you see what I'm saying? I go on and on about it because it's amazing. Now, you can get this on the website for Gourmande Girls. However, I would, no shade to Christina, but I would absolutely, for $16.50, sign up and get the palette. And not only that, you're going to get it for less because you can use my code. Get the bag, you're going to get the palette with it, and you get 2 other products as well that go with it. They're all cohesive. Everything matches. The palette was originally $54, right? But again, $16.50. You got the palette and 2 more items. All right. Now, wherever you choose to support, both are small, you know, when I mean independently owned businesses, okay? And Doodles by the Bunny is in this too. I believe it's Angie, if I'm not mistaken. She does mock palettes and they're so pretty. She has a very good eye for color. So congratulations to her as well. Thank you so much to Christina for jumping in here and doing something for Siria, because she is such a sweet girl. Send her all the love and prayers you can, guys, as well as CMariTaylor. Christina, we all know and love her. Her channel, I will link that down below as well. So that is what we have. Now, I'm not touching any of these products, guys, because when the box comes, because I forgot to unpause it, so basically I don't have an extra box. And there's a very good palette in that one too. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. When we unbox the box, I will start another giveaway, like I always do every month. But this time we're gonna do a build your bag again, okay? What I will do is I will put all the products in front of you. You will be able to pick 5 and then I'll throw into what have you. So that's what we're gonna do. So we will call the winners to those 3. So you do not wanna miss that when I unbox it, okay? Now it's not here yet, but it's on its way. All right, so let's recap. Now, and let me tell you the prices, I'm sorry. So again, this is $5. This is the primer, $5. Lip gloss is $5. And the palette is right here at $55, okay? And again, $16.50. I'm sorry, we have one more thing. I don't see this on here, but I think it's just a little extra and I think it's very cute. It's a little makeup bag. Everything came inside, okay? So you have the palette. Let me put that there and then put it back on. Oh, here's the color saver, and I wonder why I can't find the color savers, right? So this is like a little extra, and it does have the little emblem here. I'm absolutely going to use it for my makeup because you can wipe it and clean it and take it and travel. I just want to say thank you to Becca and everyone over at Eyescream Beauty for doing this for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. I think it's amazing. You guys are awesome. I just love you. I will leave the retail value here. Now, remember guys, $16.50, okay? Amazing. And the quality, Gourmande girls. I may just go ahead and purchase another one just so I have this, because I wanted to leave this freed up in case I needed to, put it in the giveaway. I don't know if I'm going to be using this palette on camera and giving away the other one. I'm not sure yet. For the box, we will see when the box comes, okay? If you did not enter, this is your time to do it, because when that box comes, guys, I'm so there you have it. My love and my prayers to Siri, also to CMariTaylor. Christina, please check in with us when you can. Let us know how you're doing. If either one of you gals need anything, please don't hesitate to get a hold of me, all right? If you need anything, if you just need to talk, what have you, I'm always available. Anything, all right? Let's get them through this. Let's get them safe. Let's get them in remission. That is the bag for the month of October. And again, I will be doing the box as soon as it gets here. So get on that giveaway. There are 3 winners in that one. And I will be calling those 3 winners, starting a new one as well in the unboxing of the Eyescream Beauty box, okay? Thank you so much for tuning in. If you have not yet already, please consider subscribing on your way out. It would mean the world to me. Would love to have you come jump on board with a bunch of wonderful people. This community is awesome. And your girl, she's a little crazy, but I have a really good heart. And I mean well in everything I do. Also, please remember to rate the video thumbs up, guys. That's super, super important. And as always, please remember mental health check-ins. How are you doing today? Have you been going through something? Are your moods changing? Are you not on your square, as we say? Have you noticed a pattern? If you are experiencing anything, please get with a counselor, a friend, a loved one. Talk about it, all right? You remember, prevention, prevention, prevention. It's key. And in this crazy mixed up world, to all my loved ones all across the globe, stay safe. Until the next one.